Hello everyone, I'm Rupali Meshram. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my latest updates.
Good morning students. Today we are going to see EVS 2 Chapter 3 Life on Earth. Here we are going to see 3 points. First point, formation of the earth. Second point, beginning of life on the earth. Third point, the animal world on the earth. With first point we are going to start. Formation of the earth. There are some questions we all wonder about. For example, how did the earth on which we live come to be? When did that happen? Was it always be way we see it today, or has it undergone changes? If it has changed, what exactly are those changes? These all are the questions which arises in our mind when we think about our Earth planet. On the basis of scientific research, it is now believed that around 4.5 billion years ago, an enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust spinning at a great speed was formed in space. Its circular motion and great speed causes it to divide into several portions, thus creating the Sun and the planets which revolve around the Sun. The names of these planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These all are the planets which are found in solar system. In our solar system, Mercury is the first planet. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, and on average, all 7 other planets, the smallest planet in the solar system, Mercury has no natural satellites. The second planet is Venus. Venus is close in size to Earth, and like Earth, has a thick silicate mantle around an iron core, a substantial atmosphere, and evidence of internal geological activity. The third planet is Earth. Earth is the largest and densest of the inner planets, the only one known to have current geological activity, and the only place where life is known to exist. The fourth planet is Mars. Mars is smaller than Earth and Venus. It has an atmosphere of mostly carbon dioxide. It is also known as Red Planet. The fifth planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is 2.5 times the mass of all the other planets put together. It is composed largely of hydrogen and helium. The sixth planet is Saturn. Saturn, distinguished by its extensive ring system, has several similarities to Jupiter, such as its atmospheric composition and magnetosphere. The seventh planet is Uranus. Uranus is the lightest of the outer planets. Uniquely among the planets, it orbits the Sun on its side. Its axial tilt is over 90 degrees to the eclipse. The eighth and the last planet is Neptune. Neptune, though slightly smaller than Uranus, is more massive and hence more dense. It radiates more internal heat but not as much as Jupiter or Saturn 3.2 Beginning of life on the Earth. Among these planets, the Earth is the only planet where life is known to exist. After the formation of the Earth, it took about 80 crore years for its surface to cool down and for water bodies to be formed on it. It is believed that various kinds of unicellular organisms or living things first appeared in water. Meaning of unicellular organism is a unicellular organism is an organism that consists of a single cell. This means all life processes such as reproduction, feeding, digestion, and excretion occur in one cell. Amoebas, bacteria, and plankton are just some types of unicellular organisms. They are typically microscopic and cannot be seen with the naked eye. They are known as protozoa. Gradually, multicellular living things develop from these unicellular ones. Multicellular living things means multicellular organisms are composed of more than one cell, with groups of cells differentiating to take on specialized functions. In human, cells differentiate early in development to become nerve cells, skin cells, muscle cells, blood cells, and other types of cells. The protozoa are so tiny that they cannot be seen with the naked eye. We need a microscope to see them. 3.3 The animal world on the earth. The living world on the earth consists of plants and animals. Here we shall take into account the animal world. The following are some of the main characteristics of animals. The first one is animals breathe. Here we can see that as we human beings, we inhale oxygen and we exhale carbon dioxide. Like this only, the animals also inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Second point, animals move in order to get food or for other purposes. As we human beings, we move from one place to another place for shelter and for food. Like this only, the animals also move from one place to another place to find out the food for their livelihood. Third point, animals of some species lay eggs and the young ones are born out of eggs. Animals of some other species give birth to the young ones. Like birds, lay eggs in the nest and from that eggs, newborn babies are born. Do you know this? Some scientists feel that there is a possibility of life on Mars. However, no evidence regarding this has been found so far. Like our Earth, Mars too has volcanoes, valleys, and deserts. It also has polar regions covered with ice sheets. 95% of its atmosphere contains carbon dioxide. It also has oxygen in very small quantities, as also other gases and water. Hence, it was thought that life may exist on Mars. The soil on Mars is found to contain some components that are essential for the growth of plants. More research is being carried out in the light of all these facts. However, the existence of water in its liquid form is essential for life to exist. It is true that the polar region of Mars are covered with ice, but there is no liquid water. The idea of a man from Mars has become popular through literature and cinema, but scientific research has not confirmed it. India launched a spacecraft Mangalyaan to Mars on 5th November 2013, and the mission was successfully accomplished on 24 September 2014. This is a historic event.